Okay, this is wide based gait. This is a taxic gait pattern.
Ataxic gait pattern. This gait pattern is characterized by quite significant inclination of the lower limbs, swaying of the body, and high risk for falls.
Now, if we study this particular diagram, this is the length of the step and this is the width of the steps. मतलब distance between two steps. The width of the two steps is the width, you know. And this is wide based and high stepping gait. Okay, now in wide base we have two types of gaits. One is for ataxia, that links to the coordination and cerebellum, and another is high stepping and wide based. If this is high stepping, we'll link it to dorsal column lesion.
Is the high steppage gait called.
Okay, next up we have normal base but high stepping gait. That will be because there is some problem with the nerves that are supplying the muscles of the foot, or because there is some problem with the muscles of the foot. For example, in myotonica dystrophica or polyneuropathies, this is for bilateral. If this is found unilateral, then we can say that, oh, this person has some foot drop, maybe because of peroneal nerve injury, or maybe because of C5 radiculopathy or polio or stroke. Let's see how normal based high stepping gait is looking like.
Caused by generally of a trip can actually clear through during the swing phase of gait. So if my foot is just dangling, increase hip flexion to guarantee clearance. That is the high steppage gait.
Okay, up next, the third kind of gait, we have crossing over. यूं करके क्रॉस ओवर कर सकती है वो, ठीक है. क्रॉसिंग ओवर या फिर स्टिफ गait. स्टिफनेस कब होती है आपके लिम्स में? व्हेन यू हैव एन अपर मोटर न्यूरॉनल लीजन, ठीक है. एंड दिस विल बी फाउंड इन हेरिडिटरी स्पास्टिक पैराप्रेसिस या फिर इन मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस. लेट्स सी हाउ दिस gait looks like. Okay, so next we have small steps gait. मतलब patient will be taking very small steps, and in that we have to look at the posture of our posture and arm swing. If there is stoop posture and there is reduced arm swing, we will say this is because of Parkinson's. And if there is upright posture and there is normal arm swing, then we can say that this is maybe bilateral upper motor neuronal EM, for example, in bilateral stroke. And how is this going to look like? We will see this in the patient of Parkinson's. This is small steps fascinating gait, and he has reduced arm swing. And at last we have pelvis rotating. Pelvis rotating, I told you, these are the two pelvises and there is only some slight rotation. But if the pelvic muscle girdle is not properly functioning for this particular pelvis, there will be this. Let's see. This is the gait, Trendelenburg gait, in which the pelvis is unable to rotate properly. Okay, next up we have circumduction of gait, and circumduction of gait will be found in either as-well brain or upper motor neuronal lesions of one side. And how are they going to look like? We'll see. Okay, this is how the circumduction gait is going to look like. The arm is going to move, curve back outward and then move inward, this like this.